Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can add a video in Wix editor. Okay, so let's begin. Now on the left side panel, click the media icon or button. Okay, so if the video will come from your computer, click this. Okay, so click upload from computer. Let's search for the video. You can double click it and it will automatically be uploaded into the Wix editor. So give it some time to load. Okay, so as you can see, the video has been uploaded. So you can click it and click add to page and it will be brought to the page. Okay, so you can place it anywhere you'd like to. Okay, and that's right. So that is how you're going to add videos to the website editor. So if you find this helpful, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.